Hello guys, this is SatchiScape. Welcome to my channel. Here I am helping out to make website design and development skills. If you are new here, make sure you click the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that whenever I am uploading the new videos, you will get notified every time. In addition to this video, also I am providing the source code that I am using so that also you can use for your own projects. So guys, today's topic is called Basic HTML Structure in Bootstrap 4.5.2 Phase 3. For that, you have to open the website called SatchiScape.com. When you open the SatchiScape.com, you have to go to the articles page. When you go to the articles page, you will see the phase 1, phase 2 also there. There I have mentioned the previous header navigation structure, how I am going to implement. In phase 3 I am implementing the revolution slider, which is the main banner, and when you click the search function, it will open the search pop-up. So you have to open the phase 3. I have given some small descriptions. After that, you have to click the explore more. When you go to inside, you will see some thumbnail image animations I have given, the light box, and also the small descriptions, and what I have used also I have given. From there, you have to click the download button. It will redirect you to the Dropbox. From there, the same things, you have to download the Dropbox files. It will be in your desktop or in your download folder. From there, in this video I am telling you it's not normally you cannot open, double click, extract your file, double click and open in your browser. It will not work because I am using the revolution slider. For that, you have to use some server, like in the PHP you have to use the WAMP or the JAMP, whatever you want to use, you can use. This is going to install in your C drive. When you install the WAMP or JAMP, you can copy this file and paste it in your WAMP root folder. From there, you have to open this file in localhost. Suppose the file is called phase 3, the folder name is called phase 3. So you have to click local/phase3. Then your file will be open. If you are going to double click this browser, it will open something like an error file. The revolution slider will be not work. So you have to open this file with called localhost/phase3. Remember guys, localhost/phase3. Then your revolution slider will be open. When you open your revolution slider, you can see everything I have given the details. For that, you have to see some CSS folder, the previous version also, whatever I have given, the same version I am adding something more for this revolution slider and for this search functions. So the file is looking like this. Here you can see the CSS file and down the font file. Then you can see the image structure. After that, you can see the JS folder. Okay guys, let's start with CSS folder. As I told you in my previous video, the Bootstrap main font awesome main menu is there. Now in this video I have added revolution folder. In the revolution folder, what I have added, like in the today topic, this I have added in my videos like a revolution slider and search filter. Okay, so for the revolution file I have used this revolution folder. Okay, I have fully customized for you guys. Then fonts folder, you can see here font awesome file. As I told you in my previous video, you can see in my description box. In the images, I have added here one slider folder. In the slider, you can see banner 1, banner 2, means 2 slider I have added. You can add your own image, okay, with this dimension. Then you can see here there is a JS folder. In the JS folder, you can see the extension for the revolution slider. Okay. Then you can see the same favicon files are there and one index file. I'll show you how the revolution slider will work. You can see here, this is revolution slider. In my previous video, I show you how to make top bar, then logo, then a navigation structure. Then in this video I am showing you how I am implementing the banner. Okay, with this text you can see here, this is auto sliding with zoom out effect. You can see the zoom out effect, and also the next preview button also there. See here. And here you can see the search filter. You can type here your search. Okay, this is just HTML. I'm showing you HTML. And one thing guys, if you want to see the revolution slider, you cannot after download you cannot see like this. You have to upload in your server. Like I'm using the localhost server. If you are a PHP guy or HTML guy, you have to install one software called WAMP server, or you can install the XAMPP also. That server is going to install in your C drive. Okay, see here in the C drive the software is installed WAMP. In the WAMP the folder is called ww. In the ww you can see the phase 3. Okay guys, in the phase 3 I am running this file. Is called localhost phase 3. Okay, if I am going to run this file like this, what will happen? You see the error, the file will not run. You have to run your revolution slider, the banner, you have to run with the localhost. The revolution slider is an application which is running this banner. For revolution slider you can see the version, upgrade version also, but for me I have compressed and edited everything for this revolution slider 5.0. Also the revolution slider you can use the WordPress version also, but I am using in this video I am using the revolution slider HTML version. Okay guys, so let's start the revolution slider, how it looks. First we are going to the top. As I told you before in my previous video, you can see the same things is there. Okay guys, you can see here after font awesome I have added the revolution slider 5.0. Okay guys, in the description I have given revolution slider 5.0 is an innovative responsive jQuery slider plugin that displays your content the beautiful way, whether it's a slider, carousel, heroes in, or even a whole front page. You will be telling you own stories in no time. Sometimes what is this, like sometimes somebody is coming to your website and they want to know about something very quick, so that thing you can give the banner. So if it is an interactive banner with some image sliding with some advertisement kind of things, you can give it there. You can see in the online there is lots of people are using the banner, and this is very useful, and everybody is going to use. And also this is responsive banner. I have customized everything as per the responsive. Here you can see here the CSS I have used revolutions inside the revolution folder setting.css. Okay, and if you want to download the upgrade version, you can download it from here. And revolution slider settings, if you want to change something setting related things, you can download also. You can means not download, there is a settings code was there, I am going to show you also. From there you can update your slider settings also. Okay, in the down you can see I have added the JS structure. See, this revolution slider made by Theme Punch, that's why I am not editing anything, because I am not the guy who developed these applications. I am the guy who's customized these things, and I am the professional web designer. That's why I am doing this kind of customizing, and you can use, and I also can use, and those are freshers and those are wants to make a HTML website, or those are experienced holder, they can also use for their own projects. Okay guys, here you can see the bullets, navigations bullets enable true, and also everything is there in the mobile. If you want to show the true, if you want to show in right align, this is, you can see here it's right aligned and align center. I'll show you. If I'm going to write this one instead of right align to left align, what will happen? Sorry, I think this file I have opened for desktop, that's why it's not editing. I'll show you here. You guys can see, because previously I have downloaded this file in desktop, then I have opened in Notepad, then I have pasted in localhost file. That's why you can see here I have given here in left. What will happen? See, the navigation is in left side. If I am going to write this one center to top, see, it's going to top. So guys, the JS settings, I have done everything for you. Like if you want to hide in your responsive version, you can type instead of false true. So guys, is hide, okay, for the mobile version. If you don't want to show, now I make it false, escape. So this is the navigation structure, and the slide type is normal. Normally people are using the same structure. If you want to modify, as I show you in the URL, you can check the settings. I'll show you just now. So guys, I show you in my previous video the up to navigation structure. This is header top. This is the same code, header main, then slider, okay, and this is pop-up, the search function I show you in a preview, the search pop-up. So this is, we can go step by step. So after the main navigation, you can see the revolution slider wrapper is there. Okay, in the revolution wrapper, you can see the code ref slide wrapper is there. No need to change anything. And you can see the dev ref slider 5.0 version also is written. After that, you can see the UL tag is there, then li tag. Li means you can see the slide one is in one li and the second slide is another li. Okay, here you can see the called banner 1. This is alt tag and title tag. Here is mentioned the class defined for this, and if what is the meaning of the center big positions means you're seeing here the banner is going to center line. Center line also is like a zoom out to center. See, if I'm going to write center to left, what will happen? You can check as per your own possibilities. You can see it's going to left. Okay, this function is called Kanban. You can see Kanban is on. If I'm going to add off, what will happen? The animation is going to off. Okay guys, the same settings you can see here. If you want to the slider layout, just I'm showing you the example. You can see here auto responsive, full width responsive, everything, the code is defined. You can see and search the functionality. This is theme fonts code, so you can see there and download the functionality and you can use as per your requirement. Okay guys, then we'll go to HTML code. I'll make it Control Z and Control Z. Okay guys, then you can see the orange color caption is there. Okay guys, this one Revolution Slider 5.0. This you're going to edit from here. Okay, this is left align. If you are going to make it right align, what will happen? The text is right aligned. Okay, so the different scenario, different case, different objectives, everything is written. You just change your text. Revolution Slider 5.0 is an innovative responsive slider. I have written everything. The second is white color, the general text. You can change it from there. Okay, then the no more button, which page you want to go. I have just given, you can give your own page. Okay, in the second slider, if you want to give, you can give also for your second slider. If you want to multiple slider also, you can add. Okay, then I will show you how you are going to change this orange color to your brand color. If you want to change your orange color to your brand color, you can change it from here. The CSS is same. I show you in my previous video. I'm adding in that CSS. I'm adding banner CSS and also search CSS. Okay guys, you can see in the down here. See, I have added home slider CSS. This is the main, the main font, the line height, font size, which font weight, and also color I have given. You can change to your brand color. The second also I have given. You can change to your brand color. Then you can see here I have given some gradient tone. Okay, for here the left side you can see some gradient black color shades are there. If you don't want, you can make it comment or delete it, but For the design perspectives, you guys are needed. You can see here everything is white. Left side you can see the white. The design perspectives needed by you can read the text at least. See the white color. Now you cannot read the text. Here you can at least read the text. Because of that we are giving the gradient tone. This is as per the CSS. You can change to your colored tone. Okay. And here I've used for the button animations. Okay, you can see in the mouse over the no more white color, you can see the transaction. See the transaction. For that the CSS code needed. Okay, 0.3 seconds CG out. This CSS code needed. If you are going to remove, you can see what will happen. You guys I have made these things, but you guys have to experiment with your projects. See, tuck, 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 tuck. See, so we need some kind of transaction so that is a very friendly feeling will come. A class no more. This is no more button. Black color. I have given the black color background. 000, which is black color. Color white. Sorry, color orange color I have given. And when you are going to mouse over in a no more, the color will be white. If you want to give the color background color to change to white, background, suppose just for example, see, white color. And if you want to give this text color in mouse over black, see, black color. So it's very easy. For that I have mentioned the class here. Button, the animations, I show you the transaction and the no more. Okay, so now I'm going to show you one more thing. The unclick the search filter will come. In my previous video you can see I have added one search filter after the navigation. This is the one. Okay, when you're going to data hyphen target, the ID is search modal. Okay, you can see the modal pop-up search start, modal pop-up search end. You can see here guys. This is input search here. This is the pop-up. The ID is search hyphen modal. This is the same ID. If you are going to change this ID to 1, it will not work. I will show you. You have to write the same way, the same perspectives, then it will work, or else it will not work. You see, it's not working because I've given search modal pop-up will come. The ID is fetching the ID. See, the pop-up will come. This is the search button and this is the search input text area. You can type it here. Okay, the background black color, tone, everything I have mentioned in a CSS. Go to CSS structure. Okay, the search modal background color, you see the black color tone, right? I'll show you again. You see the black color tone, right? With opacity, you can see the background and also there is a black color mask. This is the code for that. You can change your color code. And the animations, the search pop-up is coming. That animations is for that there is a code. and also you can see the button code, color code, everything is written. You can change as per your own perspectives, and you can see I have given one media queries code for here for search modal responsive. Like I have given the maximum 576. There is some width adjustment. You can see here. Type 76. See here, I've given some code random. Okay. So basically, in this video, I have added the revolution slider and also I have added the search filter function. Okay. Alright guys, now we are going to end up with this video. If you really enjoy with my tutorial, please like, subscribe and press the bell icon so that whenever I am uploading the new videos, you will get notified every time. Also, you can follow me with my social media accounts. Stay safe. Thank you. Bye bye.